Understanding Areas of Focus, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, areas of focus. Understanding this phrase is crucial for both professional and academic contexts. So, let's get started and explore what it means and how you can use it effectively. Areas of focus is a phrase that refers to specific topics or fields that require special attention or concentration. It's often used in various contexts, from business to education. To better understand it, let's break it down. Areas implies different parts or sections of a whole. Focus refers to the act of paying close attention or directing effort towards something. When combined, these words suggest concentrating efforts on particular aspects of a larger task or subject. To grasp the usage of areas of focus better, let's look at some examples in different scenarios. 1. In a business meeting, our areas of focus this quarter will be customer satisfaction and product development. 2. In an academic setting, her areas of focus for her research are renewable energy and sustainable technologies. 3. In personal development, my areas of focus for improvement are time management and communication skills. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to various situations, emphasizing the need for specialized attention. It's easy to confuse areas of focus with general interests or hobbies. However, this phrase implies a more serious and dedicated approach. Here are a few mistakes to avoid. Don't use it for casual interests. For example, saying, "My areas of focus are watching movies and playing video games," is not appropriate. It's not interchangeable with tasks or duties. Areas of focus are broader and often strategic. To use areas of focus effectively in your communication, be specific about what these areas are. Use it in contexts where there is a need for strategic planning or targeted efforts. Combine it with action plans or goals for clarity. Understanding and using the phrase, areas of focus, can significantly enhance your communication skills in English. It's a powerful way to convey dedication and strategic planning in various areas. We hope this video has been enlightening and useful in your journey to mastering English. Stay tuned for more insightful language tips.